If you're not using ChatGPT, you're missing out. You're in the dark ages, my friend. Here's why. ChatGPT can help you build schedules as a project manager. Watch this. Build me a schedule for sending a satellite to the moon. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. You see that? There we have it. There we have it. Right there. Right there. See it? Okay. It's given it to me in a view that looks more like a schedule, in a table, the resources required, the dependencies, and the duration. Watch this. I'm going to ask it to do something else. One more thing I'm going to ask it to do. I'm going to ask it to create a WBS down to level 3. Level 3. So all the way down to a level 3. And I mean, this thing is just going to keep going and going and going. Now I need to give it some specific instructions. I could say, give me more details. Let's see what it does. Now we're talking. Now, you can see it's still being a little bit reserved. It's not giving me every single thing I want. It's getting there. But I'm going to tell it next that it needs to blow out each one of those items. It needs to blow out every one of those. So I'm going to ask it to blow each line item out. Now it's going in the direction I want it. You can see with a little bit of manipulation, a little bit of massaging, a little bit of redirecting, telling it over and over again what I want. There we have 3-level WBS, and I've seen this thing go down to even granular levels. So if you are a project manager and you're not taking advantage of the power of this thing, what are you doing, my friend? ChatGPT is going to help you. It's going to help you. So get with the program. And I teach a class on how to apply ChatGPT to your projects. There is so much you can learn about using ChatGPT in your real world of project management. And I'm breaking that down for anyone who cares to come to my class. pragmaticprojectmanagement.com. There it is at the bottom. And when you get to this site, if you want to sign up, do it quick because this course has already started. It is going to end in the next 3 weeks. So do show up. Again, you can use the power of GPT for a lot of stuff. Enough said. Take care, my friend, and see you soon. Bye for now.